Ladies, I have made my decision. Tita Baby, Shante Houston. You enjoy the other two.
Oh my God.
Angel, our fierce trans nene. Keep shining as the fierce drag queen as you are. Angel, ikaw ang aming babae tonight. Do you have anything to say?
It's okay. It's part of the game. Ayokong makita mo kung umiiyak kasi alam kong iiyak ka. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita. Why me? It's okay. Ganun talaga. Why me? Ganun talaga. Sumali tayo dito. At alam natin may matatanggal, pero ganun talaga siya. Sana tayo magagawa. It's okay. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Go, take your moment. Moment mo yan.
Thank you, Matthew. Angel, ano gusto mo sabihin?
I really don't expect this happen. Like, as in, pumasok ako dito, ang dami kong gusto patunayan sa sarili ko. As in, ayoko rin basagin yung fantasy ng over na I'm the first queen to go home. Lalo na galing sa kanila. I am iconic.
Yes.
Okay.
Pinakamasarap, iconic.
Babalik ako dito and I'm gonna prove it to you na hindi ako pang pork chop. Now, sa Shea Way. Tandaan nyo to, ako pa rin ang mananatiling pinaka masarap. Magsi-season 4 ako, promise. Angel for season 4! Woo!
Yes, yes.
Yes!
Angel! Ano sabi mo, magsi-season 4 ka?
Yes, mommy, please. I wanna prove more.
Bakit magsi-season 4 ka pa eh? Di season 3 na ulit. I am not done with you. I still need my babae tonight.
Oh my God!
And
Oh my God! Mama Pao, laro ka! Malala!
ewan ko sa'yo, ang dami mo kasi sinabi, bakla pa. Hindi pa ako tapos.
Kasi naatay ko nga eh! Naatay ko nga eh! Nasa directed kasi laro ka din eh!
Because I felt and we felt your passion and your drive.
Oh my God!
And we need more. Angel, Shanteo, Pakistan. All of you queens, you all made your mothers proud. That's why I say, mga queen ang ina nyo. And remember, ang tunay na ikaw ay pakita sa isip, sa salitahan, sa gawa, puso. Puso at puso pa din. Can I get an Eme up in here? Now let the music play. Party, party!